Hello everyone, today I'm going to review the extra long wrench set from Hazet. I picked them up from German Amazon. Part number of this set is 600 LG/12 and 12 means it comes with the 12 wrenches. This is the whole set all the way from 10mm to 32mm and skipping the sizes of 15, 16, 18, 20 and 21 etc. But at the same time I ordered missing ones separately. We will see them all as we go through the wrenches. These wrenches came up with this box. On the box from here you can scan the code with your phone and it will take you to the website where you can find all the information regarding these wrenches. Here you can see a sticker with some German text, the barcode for scanning, and the weight of the package is 4.816 kg. Now let's open up the magic box. As usual, the wrenches came up with the paper cushion to avoid the scratches, but I think these paper cushions are not enough and the packaging can be improved. So I have already taken out and stacked them up. Let's have a quick look. These are really beautiful wrenches with high class quality. Hazet is a snap-on of Germany. You can see even without touching them how good quality these wrenches seems to be. The details of wrenches are stamped so perfectly. Superb workmanship. Made in Germany obviously. The sizes are stamped both ends of the wrench, which is nice. This is 600 LG series. They are stamped too. Hazet logo is also beautifully stamped and the finish is as usual matte chromed. These wrenches go all the way from 10mm to 30mm, skipping 15, 16, 18, 20 and 21 etc. But mind you, there are different combination options of different sizes are available. For example, there is also an option 600 LG/13 where you can get wrenches with the sizes of 10 to 24mm without any skips. But I chose this option and ordered missing one separately. I chose to do that because it was cheaper option since it was on a deal. Hazet claims that these are 25% longer than the standard wrenches, which is true. You will see later part of the video when I will compare them with the Stahlwille standard length wrenches. Let's take out some sizes and talk about them a little. Look at the smallest of all, the 10mm wrench. Certainly, this is low profile wrench. What a beautiful is this small little wrench. It's the smallest, but see how nicely the details are stamped during forging process. The text is so clear and workmanship is top notch. I love how the Hazet logo and made in Germany are stamped. Let's look at the other side of the wrench. In this side, you can see all the texts are same except they stamped heavy duty instead of made in Germany. In this side, both ends are also stamped with the size numbers, which is nice cause no matter which end or side you grab the wrench, you still be able to see the size of the wrench easily. And the numbers are enough big to see them from distance too. It feels nice in hands and it does grip good, and the rough matte chrome finish will definitely be less slippery when exposed to oil and grease. It is a strong and sturdy wrench. It won't bend easily. Let's pick up 19mm wrench. Same nice finish and good quality piece. Look at that extra length. It will be very handy in hard to reach areas. Guys, I tell you, it feels so good in hands and it feels high quality. It is definitely a heavy duty wrench. These wrenches are 15-degree offset. Now let's check biggest of all in the set. The 32mm heavy duty wrench. Look at that. How massive it looks with extra length. It is a heavy wrench. Look at the detail in the box, and it is flawless, and the thickness is consistent all the way around. Yes, there are some marks. It's due to how these are shipped without proper cushion in between. Hazet always send their products like that, unfortunately. It is just because Germans don't care about the finish, rather quality and the reliability of the tools. I love German tools matte finish style. Have a look at the open end of the wrench. Nice and smooth with consistent finish. Looks really nice quality. Every detail of the wrench is high quality. All the wrenches has similar quality no matter what the size is. The chrome finish and the details, everything is so consistent. These are seriously tough and heavy duty wrenches. Now let's compare the length of these wrenches with the Stahlwille standard length wrenches, just to give you guys an idea of length difference. I am picking up 17mm Stahlwille wrench from its master set. You can see how long Hazet version is when comparing to the standard length wrench. I just picked randomly 17mm size. It seems like Hazet wrench is almost double the length of the Stahlwille wrench, but the Hazet wrenches are little thicker, and I think the reason are extra length and the more torque will be applied due to the leverage these got. The Hazet wrench is narrower on width though. Another thing I should mention that Stahlwille wrenches are rather thinner, even if you compare them with the normal standard wrenches from other brands. This is how all Stahlwille wrenches are. I'm gonna review master set of Stahlwille wrenches too in my future videos. Here is another comparison with 22mm size of wrench. Now you can see I got those missing wrenches in this series. I try to buy all the sizes Hazet offers in this series. So I got 15, 16, 18, 36 and the 41. I might not gonna use those big sizes, but I wanted to have all the extra length sizes from Hazet. Here you can see every wrench size Hazet offers in extra long length. These looks awesome. Guys, I tell you, these extra length did help me in different situations. I was working on a Mercedes to replace a control arm. There I used 21 and 22mm sizes, and these extra length wrenches did come handy with no knuckle busting while breaking the bolt loose. So my conclusion of these wrenches are, they are superb quality with high prices, but they are considerably cheaper than the Snap-on. These wrenches are extra long and narrower in the width, which will help in better accessibility with low fitting. Higher torque can be achieved with less force due to its long length, and they are super heavy duty wrenches and will last longer. Made in Germany, drop forged in highest quality steel. According to the most Germans, Hazet is the Snap-on of Germany. Okay guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.